Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're making 3 incredible milkshake flavors: classic chocolate, strawberry dream, and cookies and cream. These are super easy, use simple ingredients, and you only need a blender. Perfect for movie nights, summer days, or whenever you need a sweet treat. I'll show you my favorite tips for creamy, flavorful shakes and how to make each one extra special. Ready to make the best homemade milkshakes ever? Let's get started. First up, we're making the classic chocolate milkshake, an all-time favorite that never goes out of style. There's just something magical about the combination of creamy chocolate, icy coldness, and that nostalgic flavor that takes you right back to childhood. To get started, gather your favorite chocolate ice cream, some whole milk, rich chocolate syrup, and a little cocoa powder for that extra depth of chocolatey goodness. Using high-quality ingredients really makes a difference here, so pick the best you can find. Scoop 3 generous helpings of chocolate ice cream into your blender. The more generous, the creamier your shake will be. Don't be shy. Next, pour in half a cup of whole milk. Start with less. You can always add more if you want a thinner shake, but it's easier to thicken than to thin out later. Add 2 tablespoons of chocolate syrup for that classic sweetness, and a tablespoon of cocoa powder to really amp up the chocolate flavor. The cocoa powder is the secret ingredient that makes this shake stand out. Blend everything together until it's completely smooth and creamy. If you like your milkshake extra thick, blend a little less milk or add a bit more ice cream. For a thinner shake, just splash in a bit more milk and blend again. For a fun and fancy touch, drizzle chocolate syrup in swirls inside your glass before pouring in the milkshake. It looks amazing and adds even more chocolate flavor with every sip. Now, top your shake with a big swirl of whipped cream, another drizzle of chocolate syrup, and of course a bright red maraschino cherry on top. It's not just delicious, it's a showstopper. That's it, rich, creamy, and super chocolatey. Every sip is pure chocolate bliss, and the texture is just perfect. Don't skip the cocoa powder. It really takes the flavor to the next level, making your milkshake taste like a gourmet treat. This is the ultimate treat for any chocolate lover, whether you're making it for yourself or sharing with friends and family. Take a sip, and you'll instantly understand why this recipe is a classic. It's comfort in a glass, and it never disappoints. Thick, frosty, and absolutely delicious. This milkshake is everything you want in a dessert drink. You really can't go wrong with this one. It's a crowd pleaser every single time. So next time you're craving something sweet, rich, and satisfying, whip up this classic chocolate milkshake for dessert. It's so easy to make, but it feels like a special treat you'd get at an old-fashioned diner. Ready for more? Let's move on to our next flavor adventure. Up next, Strawberry Dream, a fruity twist you won't want to miss. Time for something fruity. Strawberry Dream. This milkshake is the perfect blend of sweet, creamy, and refreshing, making it a treat you'll want to sip all summer long. Whether you're a strawberry lover or just craving something cool and delicious, this recipe is sure to hit the spot. Start with the basics: vanilla ice cream, whole milk, and a cup of strawberries. Fresh or frozen, both work beautifully. The ice cream gives that classic creamy texture, while the strawberries bring a burst of fruity flavor. Add 3 generous scoops of vanilla ice cream to your blender. The more ice cream, the thicker and richer your shake will be, so don't be shy. Next, toss in your strawberries and pour in half a cup of milk. If you like your shake a bit lighter, you can add a splash more milk, but start with half a cup for that perfect creamy consistency. For extra flavor, add a splash of vanilla extract. This little touch really brings out the sweetness of the strawberries and makes the shake taste like a dreamy dessert. Blend everything together until it's smooth, creamy, and beautifully pink. If your blender struggles, just add a bit more milk until you reach your desired texture. You want it thick, but still sippable through a straw. Pour your luscious strawberry shake into a tall glass. For a pretty presentation, garnish with a fresh strawberry on the rim. It's a simple touch that makes it feel extra special. Top with a generous swirl of whipped cream, and a sprinkle of pink and white sprinkles. These add a fun, festive vibe and a little extra sweetness. For a fun twist, add a whole strawberry on top. It's the perfect finishing touch and makes your shake look like it came straight from a fancy cafe. This shake is thick, creamy, and bursting with real strawberry flavor in every sip. You'll even get little bits of fruit for that homemade feel. The color is absolutely gorgeous, a vibrant pink that's as pretty as it is tasty. It's a treat for your eyes and your taste buds, perfect for a sunny day, a picnic, or whenever you want something light, sweet, and refreshing. It's a great pick-me-up for any time of day. Want to take it up a notch? Add crushed shortbread cookies on top for a strawberry shortcake vibe. The buttery crunch pairs perfectly with the creamy shake. It's a dreamy treat that's sure to impress friends and family. So easy, so delicious, and so much fun to make. Give it a try and let me know what you think. You might just discover your new favorite milkshake. Now, let's get decadent with cookies and cream. If you love cookies, you're going to love what's next. Here comes the ultimate cookie lover's shake. Get ready for a treat. Last up, we have the cookies and cream milkshake, a true crowd pleaser and a classic that never goes out of style. This shake is the ultimate treat for anyone who loves the irresistible combination of creamy vanilla and crunchy chocolate cookies. To get started, gather your ingredients: rich vanilla ice cream, whole milk for extra creaminess, and of course, your favorite chocolate sandwich cookies. These three simple ingredients come together to create pure magic in a glass. Scoop 3 generous helpings of vanilla ice cream into your blender, then add 4 chocolate sandwich cookies. The cookies will give your shake that signature cookies and cream flavor and those delicious cookie bits everyone loves. Next, pour in half a cup of whole milk to help everything blend smoothly. Don't forget a pinch of salt. It might sound surprising, but it really boosts the chocolate flavor and balances the sweetness. Blend everything together until the mixture is mostly smooth, but be sure to leave some cookie bits for that perfect cookies and cream texture. You want a shake that's thick and creamy, but still has those satisfying cookie chunks. For even more crunch, crush 2 extra cookies and gently fold them into the shake after blending. This step adds a fun surprise in every sip and makes the texture even more exciting. Want to take your presentation to the next level? Dip the rim of your glass in chocolate syrup, then roll it in crushed cookie crumbs. It's a simple touch that makes your milkshake look and taste extra special. Now, pour your thick, speckled shake into the prepared glass. Watch as the cookie chunks swirl through the creamy base. It's a treat for the eyes as well as the taste buds. Top it all off with a generous swirl of whipped cream and a sprinkle of more cookie crumbs. This adds a light, fluffy finish and even more cookie flavor. For a playful garnish, add a whole chocolate cookie right on top. It's the perfect finishing touch and makes your shake look irresistible. The result? A milkshake that's thick, creamy, and absolutely packed with cookie goodness. Every sip is a delicious blend of smooth ice cream and crunchy cookie pieces. That little pinch of salt really makes the chocolate and vanilla flavors pop, giving your shake a rich, balanced taste. This is a dessert you can drink through a straw or eat with a spoon, perfect for those who love a little texture in their treats. It's perfect for anyone who can't resist cookies, and it's sure to bring a smile to every face at the table. With every sip, you'll enjoy a delightful mix of creamy ice cream and crunchy cookie bits. A true textural delight. Give it a try, and you'll quickly see why this cookies and cream milkshake is a favorite for kids and adults alike. With 3 shakes and 3 amazing flavors to choose from, there's something for everyone in this lineup. So which one will you make first? Thanks for blending along and making these delicious milkshakes with us. Cheers to sweet moments and happy sipping. That's a wrap on our 3 homemade milkshakes. From chocolatey to fruity to cookie-packed, there's a shake for every mood. Try them out and tag me with your creations. I'd love to see. Comment below with your favorite flavor or your own milkshake ideas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy blending. Bye, everyone.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.